Before you begin, remove the top cover, battery, wireless module, audio board, and motherboard. Removal. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Remove the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the motherboard. Carefully lift the heatsink off of the motherboard and remove.